Hello guys, welcome to another Angular tutorial. Okay, in this tutorial we are going to see about how to handle the click event in Angular. Okay, so here you can see that we have created this HTML in last tutorial. Okay, so this is we have taken the just input type button. Okay, as you can aware about the HTML, you can able to understand this code. Okay, so and I have given the button value is get value. Okay, so we try to get some value. Okay, on click of this event. Okay, and on click event we are handling using this type of like we are using the brackets, and inside that click, and we have write our method inside this box. So we are get input value we have written here, and we handle this function inside our ts file. Okay, so this is we have just given the alert click event. Okay, so we just go and run our application using ngserve command. So as you can say, our application is running, and as soon as I click this get value button, I get this alert click event. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how we are handling the click event in Angular. Thank you so much. To like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.